Okay, if you move your mouse onto the map anywhere, you'll get a detail screen that shows you information about that town. So as you move your mouse, you'll see that the sign updates. So here we have Sunderland, Deerfield. Now each one of these signs will tell you the name of the town, the year it was incorporated, and each of the values for the dimensions we have. So we have median house price, price variance, property taxes, the MCAS performance index score, as well as the commute time, and if that town has any mass transit, you'll see the mass transit information. So let's go to a town that has mass transit. So here we have Acton, and it has a rail line, so you have a little icon for the commuter rail. Let's find some towns that have buses or subways. So I'm sure Boston here has. So Boston has everything, right? So we have a rail line, we have the T, and we have bus service. Out here, Beverly, you have just a rail line and bus service. There's no T's that go out there. Now, if you set filters on your map, so for example, by checking bus and subway, and you mouse over a town that doesn't meet that criteria, you'll see Belchertown here has a little X for MBTA stations, but checkboxes for all the other values. Now, if I go here and let's broaden our search selection a little bit. Let's say I want to get rid of towns that are, I don't know, over $4.99 for home values, and under really you have to have good public schools here, 90% for public schools. And property tax, I don't want to pay too much in property tax. 8,000 maybe is okay. Price variance, the town should be reasonably stable in prices. 20%, so not a lot of towns left. So you can mouse over any one of these towns and find out why didn't that town match. So that town didn't match because of the price variance. So if you can decide, well, if I really want to live there, maybe I should relax my price variance constraints. This town did match. Here we have Acton, match. Westford, match. Concord didn't match for, well, 4 reasons here. It's too expensive, price variance is a little high, tax bill is high, and the schools, although very good, are a little bit below what we set for our filter. So now you can see we have 10 towns. You can also select towns by their region. So we have Southeast, Central, Berkshires, Pioneer Valley or Happy Valley, Northeast, Greater Boston, and Cape Cod and the Islands. So let's say I want to live in Greater Boston. If I click this, I'll zoom onto just that region. So now you see I only have 3 towns that match my criteria. So perhaps this is much easier to select if you know generally the greater region that you want to live in.